A 2-year-old boy has died and 3 others have been infected with pediatric cases of E. coli linked to contact with animals at the San Diego County Fair.
Now, the county says the children's ages were from 2 to 13. They say they visited the fair from June 8th to the 15th. They showed symptoms from June 10th to June 16th. That 2-year-old boy died on the 24th, according to county health. The source of the E. coli is under investigation, but all the children had been to the petting zoo or other animal areas at the fair. Those areas are now closed.
County health says that people with E. coli, they start feeling sick 3 to 4 days after coming into contact with the bacteria. Symptoms can vary, but they can include severe abdominal cramps, watery or bloody diarrhea, and vomiting. They also say symptoms may occur with or without a fever. There's a news conference at the fairgrounds tonight. 10 News is there right now. We have a crew. We're going to bring that to you live when it happens.